Stop scrolling right now!
What if I told you that in 2026, complete beginners with zero experience are making real money online just using AI tools? No degree, no investment, no coding. Just simple AI tools and smart execution. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools that people are using right now to start earning money online step by step.
Hi everyone, I'm Kamal. I'm not a professional expert, just a simple creator who shares what I've learned from my own experience. Today's video is especially for those who want to start earning online but don't really know where to begin or what steps to take to actually start making money. The truth is, in 2026, you can start building online income using AI tools right from your phone or laptop. But a lot of people get confused because they don't know which tools to use or how to follow the right step-by-step process. I promise you this, if you watch this video till the end, you'll get a clear roadmap to start earning online right from home. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video.
Most people don't fail because they are lazy. They fail because they are confused. Every day they see dropshipping, freelancing, YouTube, crypto, affiliate marketing. Too many options. And because of that, they never start anything. Why do most people fail to make money online? It's usually because of confusion, a lack of skills, or fear of losing money. Most people think they need years of experience or advanced skills. But today, AI has made many things much easier and more accessible than ever before. Number 1 AI tool, ChatGPT. If you're planning to start making money online in 2026, ChatGPT could be one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal. But first, let's clear something up. ChatGPT is not a magic money-making machine. It won't do all the work for you. What it can do is help you work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. For example, let's say you want to start a YouTube channel, but you have no idea what videos to make. You can simply ask ChatGPT, "Give me 10 YouTube video ideas about making money online for beginners." Within seconds, you'll have a list of ideas to choose from. And it's not just ideas. You can also use ChatGPT to write full video scripts. For example, you could say, "Write a 5-minute YouTube script about AI tools for beginners." And ChatGPT will generate a complete script for you. Maybe you want to create content for Facebook. Just ask ChatGPT, write a viral Facebook post about making money online. And ChatGPT can help you quickly create engaging content that grabs attention and boosts engagement. If you're a freelancer, it can help you draft client messages and proposals. If you're doing affiliate marketing, it can help you create product descriptions and marketing content.
A lot of people use ChatGPT and never get great results because they don't know how to write good prompts. The more specific and detailed your instructions are, the better the output will be. For example, write a YouTube script. That's a weak prompt.
But if you say, "Write a 5-minute YouTube script about AI tools for beginners, use simple English, include an engaging hook, and end with a strong call to action," the result will be much better. Can you make money directly from ChatGPT? The answer is not directly. But you can use ChatGPT to create content, grow a YouTube channel, offer freelance services, write blog posts, build affiliate marketing campaigns, and support many other online business models. Now, let's move on to our second AI tool.
If you want to easily whip up social media content, YouTube thumbnails, Facebook posts, Instagram designs, or any marketing materials, Canva AI is a total game changer. It used to be that if you wanted professional designs, you had to learn Photoshop. Today, Canva AI lets absolute beginners create stunning, pro-level designs in literally minutes. Say you're uploading a YouTube video and need a thumbnail that pops. Just tell Canva AI your video topic, and it instantly spits out thumbnail concepts, layouts, and text designs on autopilot.
From Facebook and Instagram posts to business flyers, logos, and presentations, you can create literally everything with Canva. As a freelancer, you can even use these Canva skills to offer design services to clients. So, even if you have zero design experience, Canva AI makes it totally possible to create professional-looking content.
Now, let's move on to AI tool number 4, Copy.ai or Jasper AI. These tools are mainly used for creating marketing content. Say you're doing affiliate marketing and you need a product description. Copy.ai will whip it up for you in just a few seconds. If you want to run Facebook ads, the AI will generate high-converting ad copy for you. And if you're into email marketing, it can write professional emails in no time. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or a freelancer, these tools are incredibly useful. Even content writers can use them to drastically speed up their workflow.
Finally, tool number 5, Notion AI. So many people jump into making money online but can't stay organized. They drop the ball on tasks, lose sight of goals, and mess up their planning. Notion AI fixes all of that. It's your all-in-one hub for daily tasks, content planning, business roadmaps, and project management. If you're launched into growing a YouTube channel, Notion AI helps you map out a content calendar, organize ideas, and wrap up your research into clean summaries. It even writes up meeting notes and business plans. Look, building a successful online business isn't just about having AI tools. It's about execution and planning, and Notion AI is a beast at that. At the end of the day, these 5 tools form the ultimate beginner setup. ChatGPT drops the ideas and scripts. Canva AI knocks out the designs. CapCut AI cuts the videos. Copy AI handles the marketing. And Notion AI ties the whole system together.
Hey everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and I'll be looking forward to reading your comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching, and thank you for being here with me today.
Now, Hustlify your fabric choice.
There's a mistake hidden in this video. Can you find it? Drop a comment below and let me know. I can't wait to see who